going to support the rear axle with a screw jack. It's probably not going to move a whole lot, but just in case it does, you don't want it moving too much. So I'm just going to use a screw jack. Take a 21mm wrench or a 13/16 wrench and slide it on the nut. And use a 21mm socket. Take this bolt out. Take that bolt out. And do the same on the lower one. 21mm wrench, 21mm socket. Take this bolt out. As you slide that out, you should be able to pull the shock right out, or you can use a pry bar as well. And slide it up. Before you put the new shock in, make sure you exercise it. Just compress it and let it expand. Do this about 3 times. There we go. Take the top part of the shock and line it into the bracket. Put the bolt in. Before I tighten this, I'm going to get the bottom one started as well. And just raise or lower the rear differential to line up. And slide the bolt in. Now you can put the nuts on. I'll start by snugging these down first. Then you can torque these bolts to 70 foot-pounds. The same on the bottom. Now you can remove the screw jack.